Welcome to Law for Everyone. If you are looking for clear legal answers without the expensive hourly fees, you are in the right place. I'm here to cut through the jargon and give you the facts. Let's get started.
Understanding the difference between a deed and a title is essential for anyone involved in real estate transactions. So what sets them apart? Let's start with the concept of a deed. A deed is the physical legal document that signifies ownership of property. This tangible piece of paper is crucial as it officially transfers ownership from one party to another. Specifically, a deed must be signed by both the buyer and the seller, and it must be notarized to ensure its authenticity. After it's been signed and notarized, it should be recorded in the public records to validate the transaction and provide public notice. The deed itself contains all the essential details of the transaction, such as the names of the buyer and seller, and a precise description of the property involved. By signing the deed, the seller, also known as the grantor, transfers their property rights to the buyer, referred to as the grantee. Without this document, the transfer of ownership is neither legally recognized nor recorded, which can lead to significant legal issues down the line. So, while the deed is the tangible evidence of the transfer of ownership, it is vital to understanding how the transaction is formally documented and validated in the eyes of the law. Beyond the basics, it is also crucial to understand the concept of a title. A title refers to the legal right to own, use, or sell a property in a conceptual sense. Unlike a deed, which is a physical document, a title is not tangible. Rather, it represents a set of ownership rights and interests. When we say someone holds the title to a property, we mean that they have the ultimate ownership rights, which are protected by law. These rights ensure that the owner can control, utilize, and dispose of the property as they see fit. Importantly, having a clear title means that the owner's rights are free of any undisclosed claims or liens, giving them peace of mind and full legal control over the property. This legal concept of title is fundamental to property ownership, as it guarantees that property transactions are secure and that ownership rights are fully recognized and enforceable. Finally, it's crucial to understand that a deed serves as concrete, written evidence of title ownership, which is essential in the transfer of property. Without a recorded deed or a comparable legal document, title ownership cannot be established. Deeds also have the unique function of adding or removing individuals from property ownership records, thereby directly impacting the title. Simply put, the title reflects the ownership rights that are formally transferred through the deed. Together, the deed and title work synergistically to affirm and secure property ownership. In summary, while the title denotes the legal ownership of the property, the deed is the recorded document that validates and facilitates this ownership. Recognizing the interconnected roles of both provides you with a solid foundation for understanding property ownership dynamics.
Thanks for watching. Now you are armed with the facts, not just the confusion. To make sure you never miss a legal update that could affect you or your family, hit that subscribe button right now. See you in the next video.